So, welcome back to another live stream from Germany. Even though the weather is very bad, like rain and cold and everything, I want to know from you guys where you are watching from. I hope you are watching from more sunny side of the earth. What a day yesterday. If you agree with me that this was a crazy stock market day, then I like that and I would appreciate. Obviously, here on Wolf of Dubai, we are talking about crazy stock market days. Those are one of my favorite because you learn so much. And the best part about it is if you are following this channel, then you know that we said there's two things that mainly will infect the markets on the bearish or a bullish side, which is for the bullish side the vaccine, while on the bearish side the second wave concerns. And yesterday we had both, guys, both together on one day. Absolutely crazy. But let's dive quickly into the market and see what we will talk about. So first of all, I would like to welcome some members. We are then going into the material of Monday's rally and crash. And then I want to talk with you also about Q2 earnings. And if you have any questions, let me know. There's some people already in the chat asking for shout outs. Let us see what we have here. We have people from South Africa, cold. We have people from Netherlands as well, so also neighborhood basically. And before we going into the topic, I want to show you a meme that I found, which it seems that it's describing the current market situation. Look at this. The guy at the window sees the snow is falling. He just said falling. Then the next guy to him says, sell snow, sell. And the other guy just heard sell and he says, sell. This is something of a chain reaction that I believe currently is happening a lot on the stock market in different kind of ways. So for example, first of all, we see the second wave concerns California, right? This triggers a sales of the stocks. This triggers maybe some stop losses on the market as well. On the other side, if a stock breaks out like Tesla, for example, then you see it's squeezing these short sellers to buy even more stocks, and it just go parabolic. Absolutely insane what is currently happening on Tesla. But we said it here on this channel, so if you're not subscribed yet, this is your possible opportunity to do right now. And also follow me on Instagram, guys. This is also very important while I'm here and recharging my batteries. As you know, we are going usually very crazy with content. I'm trying to get some energy here and also enjoy a little bit of life in the lower summer months. Now, I want you to understand what happened on yesterday's market after we welcomed Akash Sin. I hope I said it right. He is a brand new Wolfpack member Gold. And if you are still wondering what is this membership, just click the join button below all my videos and you can be part of the most exclusive and most best stock market private group chat in Discord, as well as there's a tier where you can have one-on-one with me. We can talk about stocks, we can talk about your portfolio, we can talk about your ideas, we will exchange experience and so on. Super great value, guys, so just check it out after the video. And also I want you to dive in with me what happened on the stock market. I mean, it looked fantastic. 13th of July, mid of July, perfect summer day. The S&P 500 goes up, space goes up 7.9%, Tesla went up to 14%, I think. Beyond Meat a little bit weaker than Amazon, almost 3%, now over $3,000, guys. And then Apple, I think this was maybe also an all-time high almost with 400. However, you saw it was positive all the way up. And what happened then was actually, and I have to say, what triggered this was obviously good vaccine news. And as said it so many times, that the market is so focused on these two things mainly that those can trigger the market very big and either direction. So we have the vaccine news that Pfizer and a BioNTech company in Germany actually are already in the fast track of the third phase of the FDA approval. So this is something that we need to watch very, very closely, because they said they can produce maybe up to 100 million doses of the vaccine towards the end of the year, which is fantastic. On the other side, then we had just a couple of hours of later, we had this absolutely crash. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Look at this. This was very fascinating for me, that the market is very much looking for those good bits and pieces on the market itself. But on the other side, it's also really, really affecting when, or it's already affected or fragile when it goes in the other direction. So this is what you saw then in just a couple of hours later. So we had the S&P 500 going down a percentage point. Space, Virgin Galactic, goes from +7 to -5. Unbelievable, guys. Also Tesla from +13 to -1. Beyond Meat even deeper in the red then, and also Amazon crazy going -4% almost. And here's the thing, look at this very closely, and if you're thinking about something that is here not right, then you are right, because the following, look at this, for example, Amazon is a company that will benefit from the from a second wave, right? I mean, this company is having their absolutely best possible scenario when we're going into a second wave, because companies are staying, people are stay home, they order more online, they spend more in the internet and so on. From this, Amazon is benefiting, and therefore you see how everything goes is being dragged down. And I used this opportunity to buy more Virgin Galactic stock. Yesterday I bought maybe close to $2,000, just increasing the position now further over the next couple of weeks before the numbers. And then I want also to see how the stock will react after the numbers. So I'm keeping still cash on the side, still have some other positions that I can move closer to Virgin Galactic. But Virgin Galactic gets a lot of focus of my time just because I think it's super undervalued. But however, you see that even stocks are not really affected by the second wave go down, which is an unbelievable opportunity for you guys to load on your favorite stocks, guys. Okay, so Amazon is a stock that you can always buy. Virgin Galactic is absolutely undervalued in my personal opinion, and Virgin Galactic, in addition to that, it's also very close to breakout, I feel like, summer 2019, just before the stock will go absolutely high. And we will be on board, guys, so don't worry about that. I just saw that Jack is becoming an ultimate wolf, so congratulations to that, Jack. Thank you very much for joining. The Discord chat link will be on my main homepage if you go on community. So all new members, guys, just go on my main page, go into community. I post also in the Discord all my trades. So yesterday, for example, when I bought Virgin Galactic, first if you are in the Discord chat, and it's absolutely fun. We have so many different people talking about the stocks and all in between the content. So it's really fun to do. I look into that many times per day, and it's great to discuss just with like-minded people. So check it out if you want. I think it's a fantastic value, and you support the channel. You support the hard work that is behind all of that. So other than that, I want to dive into something that is very, very already starting to happen, which is the Q2 earnings. And I will make a totally separate video about this because this is so important, because I think the Q numbers will not really matter. But however, let's have a look what will be this and next week. So this week we will have Netflix and Microsoft. Both companies heavily will benefit from the situation in Q2. So I think that Netflix will show us some good numbers, though remember that Netflix is a company that actually like to send back their earnings. What does it mean? This means that though they are having a record numbers, they are saying, hey, wait, this is just a temporary experience for us. So make sure to understand that companies sometimes like to send back their earnings just to make it not not too much build up their stock price. I think there's really sometimes just crazy wording for some good things, and also for bad things, crazy wording that the people use and the management use into their earnings calls. So very important to listen to those earnings calls. Then we have also, let me have a look, what is here also important? Facebook, obviously also very important, what happening in the social media space after all this, companies that said, we will stop Facebook advertising. Yes, because they will stop advertising anyway. So fantastic way to just get free advertising. Then you have Google also, and Amazon will do their numbers or show us their numbers on July 25th. As I said, Amazon I think will be overachiever. Google will be maybe a little bit tough because of the missing advertising, though it's more or less picking up now, and this will be the focus of the people. Then we have in the beginning of August, it's not here on the list, but Virgin Galactic will also show us how much reservations they have, and some other good news I can recon that they will show us something that is quite interesting. Walt Disney also 6th of August. Then we have the gaming stocks, Activision Blizzard and Take-Two Entertainment, or Interactive Software. This is their name. Then we have Nvidia mid of August, some Chinese companies here like Tencent or Baidu and Alibaba, all in mid of August. And other than that, there's much more, but this is the calendar that I could find in this short of the time. Meanwhile, I reckon that the sound is not there when I press the like button. So, but liking this live stream is meaning the world to me. And check out also the other membership, obviously. And I also wanted to check if I had something else. I think that's it. I think this is now what you need to understand what's happening in the next couple of weeks, as well as what happened yesterday, guys. And it will stay volatile until we are, and please follow me on Instagram as well, because it's quite fun. I'm sharing things from my daily life here in Dubai, here in Germany, as well as in Dubai. So if you're interested into that, but we are in a kind of fork, guys. Okay, imagine you are in the fork. We have the second wave and we have the vaccine. So it will be now in the next couple of weeks to see where we are heading. And obviously it's more, I would say, 80-20, 80 positive. I'm an optimist investor, so I believe that we are going more and more into the direction of the vaccine, and then the stocks will just go further up. And therefore you shouldn't be too much worried about second wave. Just clean your hands, stay healthy, practice social distancing, and let's watch together great content about stock marketing. And I always appreciate a like. And therefore, thank you very much. 130 people joining from all over the world. I really miss my Dubai studio. But you know, this is, I believe, a proper way to communicate all information that you need to create a great investment case about your companies and understand the markets, not only from the fundamentals but the mechanics and news and whatever needs to be put into consideration. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you just in a couple of hours when I post another daily vlog. So stay tuned. It will be all about why the S&P is not the stock market. Thank you for watching, and see you then.